Alrighty, it is Monday night, and I need to package up what has sold today. Pam is actually up at her brother's house. Her brother is on vacation, so she's house sitting his house for him till I think Wednesday. She'll be back here. I'm down here doing some business, but that's okay. I'm doing a lot of listing. I've done a lot of listing tonight, but it's starting to get late, and I need to get the packages packaged up so that I can ship them out tomorrow. So I have 5 things to package up. The first thing is a Lucky Strike tobacco tin. We actually got this at an estate sale, and I do not know where it is, so I need to find it. Pam knows where all of the inventory is, or where most of it is. She has it logged in her spreadsheet, and I do not have access to that because she has her computer. So I am stuck searching through everything to find it. I actually just found it. First bin, first try. Here it is right here. We got $15.99 plus shipping for this. Pretty good score. We paid like $10 for this and a bunch of other stuff too. So there's a lot of profit in this already, and we got our money back for the big haul we got at that sale. I actually listed this yesterday and it sold within a day. So really cool piece. It's in rough shape, but I think that kind of adds character to it. And I put that in the listing too, which I think is true. I think it's super cool. So decent sale there. Put that over here. Next item that I need to pull is this pair of shoes right here. Oh boy. This is going to be fun. So this was a retail buy, $10. Got 25, took a best offer on them to get them out of here. Trying to move some stuff quick, not a lot of profit, but got them out of here anyway. The only problem is they forgot to take this off. So I'm going to need to do something to get this off. I think I might take a hammer to it. So stay tuned for that. But we got $25 plus shipping for these. So decent sale there. Again, not big profits. This was retail arbitrage. And probably could have gotten a little more for them if I held out, but I just wanted to get them out of here. Next is, a pair of Lucky brand pants. You actually probably saw these in a video recently. We picked these up at Savers last week. They're brand new with tags. And right here. And this was a decent sale. I paid $4.99 for these. Again, probably could have gotten a little more for them if I held out, but we're running a sale. Once again, trying to keep things moving, keep the money and cash flow going. And we got $22 plus shipping on these. These will go in a padded flat rate. Next is the PSP. So we got this PSP at that yard sale, that crazy yard sale video. I'm sure most of you saw that video from this past weekend. Picked this PSP up in that lot, paid $50 for everything. And let me grab it, it's right here. And we actually came with a charger, tested it, it works great. And we actually got $50 plus shipping on that. So we got most of our money back from that crazy haul in this one sale. This sold within a day of listing. So pretty excited there. That was a good sale. And then finally, we sold a PS3 Slim. It's a 120 gigabyte hard drive. It's just the console with the cables. No, whoa, here it is right here. Nothing with it, it's just the console and cables. I bought this in a bulk deal off Mercari, and I took a risk on it. They said they didn't know if it worked, and I picked it up. I spent $60 for this. It came with a few controllers. It also came with a bunch of games as well. So I tested it out. I kind of kept my fingers crossed because she said she didn't know if it worked. She probably did know that it didn't work. But I bought it anyway for $60 plus all the other stuff. And I sold it for $38 plus shipping. And when I tested it, the Blu-ray disc, it didn't read discs. So it needs a new Blu-ray drive. So I just said that in the listing. And I'll ship it out as parts. I set the listing up that we do not allow returns because usually we offer free returns. But for this particular thing, I did not authorize returns. because it's not the best idea if you're selling something for parts and you accept free returns, because people can just take the parts they need off of it and then ship it back to you, and that's not cool at all. So sold that for parts, got most of my money back. Not, well, I shouldn't say most, but got a lot of my money back off that deal, off this. So I still have a bunch of controllers and games to sell to get the rest of my money back and some profit. So decent there. That is going out as well. And I believe that is it for tonight that we're shipping. So gotta get to packing up and get on with the night, I guess. All right, so it is now Tuesday night, and we've only got a couple things shipping out. First is a video game. It is a PS3 video game. Let's see where it is, right here. Mafia 2. We sold this for, I think it was like $7 something plus shipping. Again, $2 buy-in on that. So it's nice to have the video games moving. And then the second item that sold was, let's see here. These boots. They are Bass, I think is the brand. And there's only the one in here. Oh my goodness. Where's the other one? Let's see. So they're these boots here, the Bass boots. I don't know where the other one is. It's probably down here in this bucket. We have the shoes separated. And sometimes they get, there it is right there. Perfect. And we got, I believe, $18 plus shipping on these. So I think it was like a flat rate of $15 shipping. So they're pretty heavy. So that was a pretty good score. I think we got these at a thrift store for like $1 or $2. So I am happy with that sale for sure. We have been sitting on these for a while, so it's nice to get them out. So yeah. Hopefully, I'm running a sale right now. The sale's actually coming to a close tonight. So hopefully we get a good wave of sales coming in and have some more stuff going out tomorrow. Or tomorrow night, I should say. So hopefully I'll be back tomorrow, and I think Pam will be here tomorrow as well. She's going to be back home from house sitting her brother's tomorrow, so that'll be good. She'll be in the next day. I also want to run through some things real quick that sold at the end of last week that I didn't end up filming because it was near the end of last week and I wasn't thinking about this video for this week yet, and they're already shipped out. But I'll run through what sold, and I will put the screenshots up on the screen what they sold for. So the first thing that sold was that vintage 1980s Clydesdale model thing for Budweiser or Bud Light, I believe. Sorry, I think it's Bud Light. Picked that up, I don't know, maybe a month or two ago at a thrift store, and that ended up selling. That actually sold to a viewer. His name is Joshua. So Joshua, thank you so much for the business. I'm just out here getting the mail. There we go. Nothing but junk mail. So yeah, Joshua, thank you so much for the business. We really appreciate it. The next thing that sold was a Samuel Adams t-shirt. We were running a sale at the end of last week, trying to move some inventory that's been sitting for a while. And we've had this shirt for a while. I forget where we even picked it up. Somewhere at a thrift. It might have even been from the Goodwill bins from way back when we went there. But we got a whopping $6 plus shipping on that baby. So that's okay though. And then the next item was a copy of Grand Theft Auto 5 for PS3, I believe. And that ended up selling for $12.99 free shipping. That was from one of the video game deals that I bought recently, and I listed that and it sold within like an hour or two. So maybe I priced it too low, but whatever, I don't care. Next was a J. Crew women's sweater, and this sweater we've had for quite a while as well. And we took $8. I think it was like an $8 offer came through, so we just took it. Plus shipping on that, so we only had $1 into it. Because I think we got that at the bins as well, so that's fine. And then next is a 007 Wii game. We picked this up at a yard sale or a garage sale, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks ago for $1. And it sold for, what did it sell for? $13.49 free shipping. So decent sale there. And then finally, the last sale that I didn't record when it sold, was a pair of Under Armour men's swim trunks that I picked up at a thrift store. Honestly, it wasn't that long ago, maybe a week or two. It wasn't that long ago. And that sold for $12 plus $5.85 shipping, or somewhere around there. Sold for plus shipping anyways, but I think I had $1 into those, so I think I had an offer come through on that too. That was not my asking price. That concludes the items at the end of last week. So it is Thursday and Pam is still not here. She's gonna be back later. I don't know if she's gonna be in this video, unfortunately, today, so you're stuck with me. I'm sorry. But that's okay. I'm gonna pull the orders that we have going out today. It's only a couple again, it's not very many. One of them was a viewer sale that's actually out here. And it's that Gibson sign that we picked up from that yard sale video from this weekend. It was an awesome find. I really like this sign. It's really a cool sign. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna plug it in so you guys can see it work. It's a really nice sign though. I like it a lot. Plug it in, there we go. So there it is, Gibson Guitars, sales and service. Really, really cool. And it actually went to Matthew, is his name, Matthew. He messaged me shortly after we released the yard sale video and said that he wanted the sign. He really liked it. So I said, sure, I'll sell it to you. So we got $60 for it, plus shipping. And yeah, I'm happy with that. It's a win-win. The guy said he really wanted the sign, and I am happy to send it to him. Really cool piece. And yeah, thank you, Matt. Really appreciate the business, and I hope you enjoy it. And then the last thing that sold that I'm pretty excited about getting out of here is this set of books. It is actually the Twilight series books, and it's every single one, all 4 of them. And we got these at a thrift store. I think they were like 50 cents each. So we have $2 into all 4. And once again, this is just a kind of cleaning out sale. Like, ooh, man. This is just a cleaning out sale, just getting rid of it. Somebody gave us, we've had them on our store forever. Somebody gave us a $8 offer plus shipping on these. So I happily took it. Get them out of here. I'm all set with dealing with books. Not a huge fan of books. I figured these would do like better because they're in good condition and they, you know, they're 1 through 4 of Twilight, but they did sit for a very long time before they sold. So but that's all right. I'm glad to finally get them out of here and move on. So thank you everybody for watching. Really appreciate it. Love doing these what sold videos every week. A lot of fun. And yeah, hopefully we get some more sales this next week. I'm assuming we will. Just having a lot of fun doing it. So thank you once again to all the viewers that purchased I think two people this week purchased items from us. Really appreciate the business and the support. So pretty awesome. And yeah, we will see you sometime. I'm not sure what's going on tomorrow yet. I do not think we're going to be doing a live show tomorrow. However, it might happen. I'm not sure. But regardless, we will see you very soon, and have a great rest of your day. Bye. Well, there it is, folks. There's the remnants of the security pod thing right there. You know, I was gonna smash it with a hammer, but I couldn't find my hammer, so I smashed it with the steering column. That was fun.